Alright, what's up everybody? We're going to make this quick because I am at work in the studio, as you can see. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Canon G7X PowerShot Mark II. Did I say that right? Yep, PowerShot. So, got this camera because I wanted to start vlogging. Got it from my wife a couple months back for her birthday. She loves it. She makes great videos with it. So, when I went, I didn't really shop around. I knew what I wanted. Picked it up. Let's take a look. Now if I can get it open. Boom. It's like, no, this is the warranty. I actually got one with Best Buy, so I think I'm good. Maybe I should register my camera. You know, be responsible. Done. No, I'm actually, the funny thing is, I told myself I would take some time to maybe not read this front to back, but definitely skim through it, go to certain things that interest me. A lot of times I kind of troubleshoot cameras myself, I work better hands-on, or I watch YouTube, but I told myself I would make it a point to look at this because I met a DP who rents out his Red camera. He was talking about how much he knew about the camera, and I asked him, you know, how many years has he been working with them? And he told me, but he said most of his knowledge was from actually reading the manual. So I'm gonna take some time to do this. I'll let you know, make another video telling you what I think about that. So let's get to the good stuff. Right here, oh, the camera comes in this little food container. That's cool. Very clean. Very, very sleek. You know, flip out screen, which is very nice when you're trying to vlog yourself. Make sure your exposure and everything is in frame. It has a 1.8 aperture, which is nice. You're gonna get that good depth of field. Okay. This is nice, this is clean. You know, I'm gonna make this quick. I'm not gonna go get all technical with you. So, it's a simple packaging. Comes with the camera, battery, charger. Let me bust this out the plastic for you guys so you can see it. Charger, and oh, so you don't lose it. Little handle band. So, handle band. Is that what these are called? A little handle. So, yeah. And that's it. Nothing else in the box except for the cardboard. Okay, that's it pretty much. Just wanted to show you guys what I'll be vlogging with. I worked with 5Ds, C100s, Reds, a bunch of different cameras, you know, professional cameras. But this is my first vlogging camera that I'm going to be using exclusively to video myself. So, well, that's it. Like I said, I got to get back to work. And here you have it, the Canon G7X Mark II. Camera, battery, charger, manual, registration forms, and your little handle. Yeah, if you have any pointers, let me know below. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.